Hey everyone, if you're a business owner, you know that sales are the lifeline of your business. But let's be real, finding the right prospects and setting up those initial meetings can be a total grind. Well, what if I told you there's a way to automate this process? That's right, I'm talking about Enmita, your new sales game changer. Imagine a tool that doesn't just find prospects but understands your business needs and targets the right ones. From generating leads to booking your first meeting, Enmita handles it all. Now, you might be thinking, is it really that efficient? Let me break it down for you. Picture this. While you're working on closing deals or maybe even grabbing a coffee, Enmita is out there, like your own personal sales assistant, using advanced algorithms to identify potential clients. Next thing you know, you've got a calendar alert. Enmita has booked a meeting with a prospect who's looking for exactly what you offer. And here's the kicker. Enmita isn't just about saving time, it's about increasing the quality of your leads. No more cold calling random numbers or sending emails into the void. Enmita fine-tunes its searches and interactions based on feedback and results, continuously improving to get you in front of the right people. Now, I know transitioning to automated systems can be intimidating. You're handing over a part of your business process to technology, but think about the scalability. With Enmita, your business can grow its outreach effortlessly. More leads, better leads, and all with less work from you. It's not just about working harder, but smarter. So if you're ready to transform your sales game and want to focus more on growing your business rather than just running it, it's time to consider Enmita. Dive into the future of sales, automate the grind, and watch your business soar. Remember, in today's fast-paced world, being ahead technologically can give you the edge you need. That's it for today. Embrace the change, leverage technology, and let Enmita turbocharge your sales strategy. See you next time.